I'm over here minding my business. My doorbell rings. UPS man. And here we are. We have another unboxing for an accessory that I have been waiting for. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, thank you for stopping by, Mrs. DLC. We are opening our accessories. I believe this is the Deco wallet in black that I ordered. It's in a nice box, packaged really well. And let's see what we have. There we go. Cushion in it. Oh, that is beautiful. Look there. I thought the white was pretty. The black is gorgeous. If you want to see the white, I will put the video up here. Or I'll put the link in the description box for the video. But here's the black. Let's take a gander at this. So it has the gold plate, Dooney and Bourke gold plate, 1975. What a great year. And here is the packaging. I'm going to take this out so we can take a closer look. The inside has that beautiful red interior, your card slots. Then you have the long pocket here. Has the, let's see, the branding. Can you see that here? The branding for Dooney and Bourke. And then you also have another long pocket. This is right behind the card slots. And then there's another pocket. So 3 altogether. 1, 2, 3. Oh, is that the, oh, and 4. 4, okay. So that doesn't go all the way to the other side. So that's another slot. So lots of secret pockets on this wallet. It's a, I'm going to say this is a coated canvas the way it feels. And it has the snap closure. One thing I love long wallets, period, but it's an extra added bonus for me when the coin zipper is on the back of the wallet and not in the inside. So I love a zipper on the back of the wallet. This one doesn't disappoint it. It doesn't disappoint at all with the red peekaboo in the inside. And if you do not recall, let me tell you why I purchased this one. And this was to go with my Brenna, Dooney and Bourke Brenna in the deco pattern, black. And here is the matching wallet. It looks absolutely gorgeous. If you're looking at purchasing the deco pattern, I say go for it. What are you waiting for? Signing off, Mrs. DLC.